Hi, Assalamualaikum guys. We meet again this week. So this week is the week 6. Okay, and we are still in the Microsoft Word. Okay, so today is part 3 for the Microsoft Word. So and this week what we are going to do is we will learn about the heading and table of content. Okay, this is very important, table of content, because your lecturer will ask you, please do table of content for your assignment. So today I will teach you about that, and as usual, so please open your Microsoft Word. So this is your Microsoft Word. Okay, the first view of the Microsoft Word. So in the part 1, I have been teach you about the how to open the Microsoft Word, how to save and so on, and the last week I teach you about table. Okay, table. You know what table? Okay, jadwal. And today I would like to teach you about the heading and the table of content. Okay, so let me close my camera first because I want you to focus more on the process of the Microsoft Word. So sila tengok sebab nanti last sekali saya akan bagi awak kerja. Saya akan bagi tahu awak kerja apa yang awak kena buat untuk minggu ini. Okay, so bye, we meet again at the end of the class. Bye, let me close my camera first. Okay.
Today, we are going to learn about headings and styles, and later on we will do the table of content. Okay, so what is the importance of headings and style here? Okay, this is to enable you to create a table of content. You don't need to manually create your table of content by go through each page. Okay, for example, introduction, page 3, and then you have summary in page 10. Okay, you don't need to do it manually. You can just use this heading and styles. Okay, now let's take a look. I want to make this document into recipe book. So don't worry, I will give you this sample for you to exercise on your own. Okay, what we are going to do here, we want to create a table of content from this. We actually have 5 recipes here. Okay, we have ayam masak merah, and then we have the ayam masak roast. So we want to enter this new topic into new page. So you can just go to insert page break here. Okay, automatically it will go to the next page. Same goes on with, okay, we have this one, ayam masak lemak cili api. Also, we want to make it into a new page, and okay, this one, kari ayam, and lastly, okay, one more is here, ayam goreng berempas serai. So, we want to make table of content. What we are going to do first is we want to make sure that we put the table of content in the second page. So, before the ayam masak merah, also you enter the page break so that you can have the new page. Okay, actually you can just use enter blank page. Okay, so right now second page is empty. So okay, just highlight ayam masak merah here, go back to home. Okay, we have several styles, heading 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on. So first of all, we just use this one, heading 1. Okay, since I will show you later on how this style will affect your table of content. Okay, for each of these title, make it as heading 1. Okay, same goes on here and then here. Okay, heading 1, and then okay, lastly, kari ayam also heading 1. Okay, now we are going to go back to our second page, which is the empty page. Okay, since we already make a heading for each title, just go to references and then click table of content. Okay, for me, I want to use this one. Okay, the second one. Okay, it will automatically show you where is this content. Okay, for example, ayam masak merah here is in page 3. Okay, then I want you to use heading 2 for this one. Okay, bahan-bahan yang diperlukan. Okay, heading 2, and then and this one also heading 2, right? So for each of these we try to do that. Okay, later on we will see what is the difference. Okay, now go back to our table of content, okay, which is in second page. Okay, you can click on this one, okay, table of content, then you can see the update table. Okay, you just click update table, then it will automatically update what you have done just now. Okay, you can either update page numbers only or you can update entire table. So to be safe, I will choose this one, update entire table, then click OK. Now you can see all the headings too that you just created. Okay guys, so that is very simple. You just can automatically create your table of content. You don't need to do it manually. So that's all for this part. I will show you later how we can edit this document into a real booklet. Okay, assalamualaikum. Okay, we have done creating our table of content. And right now what I'm going to do is I will show you how we can add borders to your document or your page. Okay, macam mana-mana buku pun on the cover page you have pictures, you can have borders. Okay, so now just go back to the first page here. Okay, click anywhere, tekan je kat mana-mana, and we want to add border. Okay, so to add border, what you can do is go to this one, layout, and then as you can see here we have the page setup here. Then just click this small arrow. Okay, it will open. You can see this pop-up box and just go to this border. Okay, here you can choose any art that you want to place on your first page. Okay, for example, I take this one. It will be automatically create a border. But if you just want border at the top of your page, so just click here. Click, and then you can only have a border on the top of your page. Okay, but just make it square like this. Okay, we want to apply it on the first page only. So what we are going to do here is click this apply to the first page only and then click OK. Alright, now you have border. Okay, view it as one page. Okay, you can see that you already have border. Okay, kalau tengok dekat second page, there will be no border at all. So this is how can you create a border on your first page. Okay, I will show you in the next video how we can do some columns in our document. Okay, right now we already created our border on our first page, and in previous video I said that I will show you how to create columns, but actually I already teach you how we can create columns in the previous videos. So just create columns for these particular documents because we want to see the arrangement of the words that we can do. And basically if we talk about books, they will have several columns, okay, like books, magazines, and so on. So let's go back. Okay, let's revisit. So to create columns, okay, first of all I'll just make this as 100% view. Okay, we just highlight all of this, then go to layout, and then just choose columns and choose 2 columns. Now you can see that we already have 2 columns here. And if you want to make this cara menyedia dan memasak ni in the second column, just hit enter. Enter je, tekan enter, dia akan jadi macam ni. And please do for the rest of your documents. Okay, secondly, what is the most important things when we talk about book is we must have the page number. Okay, we already created a table of content here. Okay, as you can see, ayam masak merah supposedly on page 3, but where is page 3? You cannot find the page 3 here. So to add the page number, just go to insert. Good, okay? Insert and then go to page number at the bottom of the page. You want to make it left, in the middle, or you want to put it at the right hand side. Okay, there are many number template that we have in Microsoft Word. Okay, just click sahaja. Okay, now you can see all the page number. Okay, all the page numbers. Okay, this is page number 1, page number 2, but we don't want our cover page to have page number. Okay, cover page supposedly will not have any page number. So how can we delete this page number? You cannot just highlight and simply delete. Okay, if you highlight and simply delete it, it will delete all the page numbers. So what you can do is just go to this one. Okay, different first page. Now dah tak ada dah page number dekat your first page. It will start at page number 2. So this is how we can create the page numbers. Okay. And also, what is the most important thing in books? Okay, you can also add what we call it as header. In table, we have header. In documents, we have header. So you just double click here, yang dekat atas ni, above this garisan, just double click and you type. Okay, for example here, Microsoft Word. Mine is 2009. Okay, so when you close header and footer, you will have this word for every page. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, actually we created this document. We make it actually into books where we have the table of contents, and also we have the page number. So basically when you save this, okay, let's try save this. Save as, I'll just save it on my desktop. Okay, and I will make it as PDF. Okay, so this is the document when I save it as PDF. Okay, as you can see here, this is the table of content. Okay, the headings yang kita buat tadi, when you click, okay, for example, kari ayam, you click here, it will brings you to the particular page. Okay guys, so that is all for Microsoft Word. Okay, what we have learned so far, we have learned how to create documents, how to insert pictures, how to do columns, how to save your documents, how to add password to your documents, and then we learned about tables. Okay, you can do calculations in your table and you can make table header. And then today we make the table of content by using the heading style, and we add the number page. Okay, we add the page number. And I think that's all for Microsoft Word, and hopefully that this Microsoft Word will help you throughout your life when you go for working, and later on this skill will be useful for you. Okay?
I'm back guys. So itu tadi cara macam mana kita nak buat heading, kita nak buat table of content, dan akhir sekali macam mana kita nak buat resepi. Klik saja kat sini. Okay, kat nombor page tu, page number, dia akan pergi ke dokumen itu. So, apa kerja yang saya akan bagi hari ini adalah awak kena follow semua yang tadi tu sampailah PDF tu tadi. So, hantar PDF tu di dalam Google Classroom. So, masa yang diberikan sampai pukul 11 malam ini. Okay, so attendance dikira, attendance untuk hari ini adalah dikira bersama-sama dengan awak scan this one. Please scan this one. This is your attendance, and also you kena submit your recipe. Okay, so sampel saya akan bagi, sampel yang tadi tu saya akan bagi di dalam Google Classroom. So sila buat sebab Kang tak buat, Kang nanti kalau awak tak buat, nanti awak tak tengok video saya. Penat tahu saya buat video. Okay, so itu saja. If you have any problem, you can contact me through Telegram, our Telegram. And so itu saja. Assalamualaikum. Bye.